Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel, and in this video I want to show and tell you how to take a picture with a shutter speed on your iPhone. You can take a photo and use a shutter speed in doing so. The standard camera doesn't have this feature, but there is one secret. How do you do it? You go into your camera. You turn in live photo. Then you choose the size, for example 16 by 9. It isn't worth it to Apple, for example, when cars are driving or something is moving. You did live photo, you open the gallery and you see our picture. Here we click on live and we choose the effect we want. And there is an effect called long exposure. We press it. You wait a couple of seconds and we see the photo with the exposure. I took a picture of a keyboard, so it's not very good. But if you take a picture of something interesting, like the movement of cars, it will be interesting. Here is an easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.